Hey everybody, it's Matthew of Mr. Domestic, where I spread joy and positivity through sewing and fabric play. This video is going to be an unboxing of the April Precuts Quilt Box Modern Stash Builder Box. I'm super jazzed about what I think is in here because it's from one of my good friends that I adore. And let's get into the unboxing, right? So here is the box. This is cute, the label on the shipping box. And then here is a list of all of the goodies that are in it. I know they sent an email. That's an adjustment from this, a slight adjustment. So in my opinion, that's next level customer service. So yay for them for doing that. And I can open this envelope for a demonstration. Okay. Because a lot of times I don't, because I'm all like, is it a personal note? I don't want to open it. And here it goes. Open it. Yeah, this is how I open it. I'm not one of those like pretty letter openers. I just like, that's what I do. Thank you. Aww. Happy Mother's Day. We wish you a happy Mother's Day from the bottom of our heart. With great joy, we realize that many of you, beloved friends, have already become mothers of beautiful children. To all of you, we wish you great happiness on this Mother's Day. Aw, that is super duper jazzy and sweet, and I love this. And two stories here. I mean, whatever, you came for me, so I'm going to tell you some stories, right? So today I went to Muffins with Moms at Helena's school because they have these events, and she asked me to come, and it was really cool. Just us having those conversations, and she and I are finding, I mean, she has two dads, but it's a lovely conversation that we started really early, and she gets it that all families are different. And another reason that I bring that up is because whenever it gets closer to Mother's Day, I always get a bunch of messages, like people saying Happy Mother's Day to me and all of that. And I am grateful for the intention behind it, but I don't want to take away from people who are mothers. And my family has handled that. So to all of you mothers out there, you are amazing. You are fabulous. And I in no way am trying to fill that with my kid. I'm her father. So when it comes to Father's Day, make sure to wish me happy on that. And let's celebrate all of the mothers out there, right? Yay! So back to the boxing. Yeah, I went on a tangent. I do that a lot. Aw, who doesn't like some tissue paper with glitter? Okay, it is the fabric that I thought it was going to be. Yes! This is from Jessica Swift's Lugu collection, and if you haven't played with it, as soon as I got it, I did some amazing fussy cutting with it, and I loved it. And Moira, another time, knocks it out of the park with this pattern. Her patterns are spectacular. I still need to finish the last one, so I'm not going to like commit to making this one, even though that is gorgeous, and I just might do it. But here, look at that. This pattern comes with it, and the fabric to make it. Okay, I ain't mad at this. The Fiskars acrylic ruler. I don't think I have this size. It's an 8.5 and 8.5. Let me take it out of here, just so that I can see what's going on with it. Yeah, that's how I open stuff. And, okay, this is a seam allowance right here. You know why, especially, I like that this is here, is that sometimes when I'm cutting, I forget about this. Like that there's an extra 1/2 inch, and depending on where I'll cut, like I'll cut it totally off because like, let's say I'm looking for 2 inches and I forget, I just go to 6 inches, it's 2.5. Sometimes I cut it too small. I really do appreciate that Fiskars did that. It's like a viewing window. So right on with this. And I'm ready to get into the fabric because not that it's my favorite part, but it is. And it's Jessica's, so it's like even more jazzy and I love it even more. So let me clean this up. Okay, I'm going to go at whatever pace I want to go. But look, make sure I'm getting it in the frame. That is gorgeous. I love the color. And then I'm going to, whenever there's a duo, because in this collection there are 2 colorways. We've recently changed the art gallery, but now there are 2 colorways. Just so you can see the 2. Like, wow, I love the feel of the 2 different ones. It's very definite, different feel. And then let me get to this. It's a blender. this orange, like, orange is a hard color. Like, I'm not going to lie. Like, it's not my favorite. If anything, it's my least favorite. But this hue, it's like a burnt orange. I actually love this one. Like, gutturally, it gives me, like, a really good feeling to it. AGF is, like, awesome with their colors. And Jessica's, like, an artist, so she really gets it. Then let me show you the other colorway. This is, like, a mustard. And I've said it many times, but mustard is one of those colors that goes with everything. You wouldn't think it, but it does. Look at the contrast of those two. Beautiful, Jessica. Great job. All right, let me get to some more blenders. This soft, like, mint green. Boom, boom, boom. Let me be dramatic. Okay. Yes. This has a very, earthy feel to it. I really like it. It's a different style than the other prints, which is good for a collection. But I just love like the earthy feel that this brings with this pink. It's like a mid-tone pink, mid-value pink. Really great. Goes with a lot of things. And there's that mustard in it. There's that natural color. Whoa, Jessica's amazing. I've already played with it, so it's not like I don't know what these look like, but every time I see this collection, I get really excited about it. Like, this is genuine, folks. Like, I'm not just pretending. I really love fabric. Okay, this one. Who does not love butterflies? It's another, it's kind of minty, but it's more, it looks more like in the turquoise teal family than just straight up green. So it's like, is there such thing as a mint turquoise teal? This is it. There's that mustard again. These are beautiful. Are these moths? No, these are butterflies. I don't know what they are, but they're spectacular. And there's another colorway here. Right here. Right here. Ta-da. Hopefully it's helping me showing you the different colors. Wow. Yeah, these are just, I love them. Like, I always go for these. I'm a cool color kind of dude. And maker, but like I really appreciate these warm colors. Whenever I made something with it, I definitely jumped onto the warm colors. Here's another one. And FYI, these are all fat quarters. It might read as black, but it's actually like a dark navy. I believe in the pure solids of AGF, it's like their nocturnal color. And then here, it's like the inverse, the negative of it. So it's white with that, I believe, yeah, it's navy. It's still that dark, like, navy. That kind of reads black, depending on what it's against. Wow. You could do a lot of fun with these two. Just these two by themselves. What else? What else? Where else am I going to go? Ah! These. Okay, these are adorable. I got excited. They are, as Helena told me, I didn't realize this. She saw this print and she was like, who made these crown deer? They're gorgeous. So whether that's what they are, that's what Helena decided they are. So, wow, look at this. Can I get it close so you can see the detail? I want you to see the detail. Like, Jessica is such a phenomenal artist. Like, I've been in her studio because she's local and she's a friend of mine. And, like, her studio is inspirational. Like, this only scratches the surface of her artistry. Here's the other colorway. Right here. Oh. This is more of that, like, here it almost looks like a dark teal, like a dark teal, but I know that it's in the blue family. I think. It's gorgeous, whatever. They all go together. Anytime that I use Art Gallery fabrics, I don't have to think because the entire collection will go together. Like, that's my trade secret, folks. Here's another one. Look at these owls. Wow. Again, the background is that rich color I've been talking about here. And then here's the other colorway. Yes. And then the final, I fussy cut this one. This one was a dream to fussy cut, but just the repeat in itself. Like, wow, the things you could make with this. If you can't see it, it's like a rich wine color in the background. Like a Cabernet, but darker. Like the bottom of the Cabernet with all the dregs and stuff. With all of these amazing colors together. And then here is the second colorway. Right here. Wow. Yeah, this collection in itself knocked it out of the park. I really appreciate these boxes because they are indeed stash builders. It comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 prints. That is a lot of fabric. 16 fat quarters divided by 4 equals 4 yards of fabric in here. Plus there is the ruler. Plus there is the amazing pattern by Moira. Honestly, I love these boxes. I love sharing them with you because I get to share some of my sisters from Art Gallery Fabrics. And I just appreciate what they're doing. So thanks for supporting Art Gallery Fabrics. As always, I give this one a thumbs up. This is definitely a box that I recommend. Every single box that I've gotten from them is next level, and their communication and their customer service is both like on point. So thank you once again for allowing me to unbox a box for you, and I hope you enjoyed it. Keep it positive, y'all. Mr. Domestic out.